Imagine waking up in the morning without the stress of bills. No panic about deadlines, and no wondering if your paycheck will last until the end of the month. Instead, you're in control of your time. Your money is working for you, and you have the freedom to choose how to live your life. That's financial freedom. For decades, it's been a dream that only a few could achieve. But today, we have a game changer: artificial intelligence. With tools like ChatGPT and powerful AI investment platforms, ordinary people, not just Wall Street experts, can access strategies, research, and insights that were once reserved for the wealthy elite. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use ChatGPT and AI-driven investment tools to create a personalized roadmap to financial freedom. And here's the best part: you don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need to be a finance expert. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step plan that you can start applying immediately. Let's dive in. What is financial freedom? Before we talk about AI, let's make sure we're on the same page about what financial freedom really means. Financial freedom isn't about being filthy rich just for the sake of having money. It's about emphasis, having enough income from your assets to cover your expenses without depending on a paycheck. Here's an example. Let's say your monthly expenses are $3,000. If your investments, maybe in stocks, real estate, or other assets, are generating $3,500 per month without you actively working for it, congratulations. You're financially free. Notice something? It's not about having millions sitting in a bank account. It's about passive income exceeding your living costs. Now here's the truth. In the past, building that kind of wealth took years of learning, insider knowledge, and often a lot of money up front. But today, AI is breaking down those barriers. And that's where our story really begins. 2. The role of AI in modern investing. In the old days, if you wanted to invest successfully, you had two choices. 1. Hire a financial advisor, which could cost thousands of dollars a year. Or 2. Spend hours reading market reports, analyzing charts, and chasing the latest news. Now, AI does most of that work for you in seconds. Here's why AI is a game changer for investors. Number 1, speed. AI can scan millions of data points instantly. Company earnings reports, market trends, news headlines, even social media chatter, all in seconds. Number 2, accuracy. Humans are emotional creatures. We panic. We get greedy. AI, it works on patterns, probabilities, and hard data. Number 3, 24/7 monitoring. Markets, especially crypto and global stocks, never sleep. Your AI tools can track them around the clock without coffee breaks. Number 4, personalization. AI can tailor recommendations to your goals, your risk tolerance, your time horizon. Think of AI as a tireless research assistant, one that never gets tired and never misses a trend. And when you combine that analytical power with ChatGPT's ability to explain financial concepts in plain English, you got a powerful setup for smart investing. 3. Using ChatGPT as your personal financial advisor. Most people think ChatGPT is just for writing emails or answering random questions. But if you know how to use it, ChatGPT can become your personal financial brainstorming partner. Here's how. Understanding investments. Ask ChatGPT to break down terms like ETFs, index funds, or dividend yields in everyday language you actually understand. Creating strategies. Tell ChatGPT your goals, savings, and time frame. It can outline a step-by-step investment plan for you. Analyzing risk. Want to know the pros and cons before you put money into a stock? ChatGPT can summarize that for you. Simulating scenarios. For example, if I invest $500 a month into the S&P 500 for 10 years, what could I expect? ChatGPT can model it out. But here's the secret. It's all in the prompt you give it. Instead of saying, "What should I invest in?" say, "I'm 28 years old, have $5,000 in savings, can invest $300 per month, and want to retire at 55. Suggest a low-risk, diversified investment strategy. Tone, encouraging. The more specific your input, the more tailored and actionable your results will be. 5 best AI investment tools. All right, let's talk about the tools that can take your investing game to the next level. Number 1, Magnifi. Think of it like Google, but for investments. You can type natural questions like, find me ETFs in renewable energy with low fees, and boom, it gives you options instantly. Number 2, PortfolioPilot. It looks at your portfolio, finds weaknesses, and suggests improvements, like having a personal portfolio manager, 24/7. Number 3, TrendSpider. For traders, this tool uses AI to detect price patterns and highlight possible buy or sell points. Number 4, Ziggma. Beginner-friendly, it ranks stocks by fundamentals, so you can quickly spot strong investments. Number 5, ChatGPT with plugins. With plugins like Wolfram Alpha, you can pull in real-time market data, run calculations, and get even deeper analysis. The point is, these tools give you emphasis, clarity in a market full of noise. Step-by-step AI plan. Here's how to put all of this into action. Step 1. Define your financial freedom number. How much passive income do you need each month to cover your life expenses? Step 2. Choose your investment approach. Stocks, ETFs, real estate, crypto, or a mix. Use ChatGPT to compare based on your risk level. Step 3. Pick your AI tools. Start with 1 or 2. Master them before adding more. Step 4. Start small. Test your strategy with manageable amounts. Let the AI prove itself. Step 5. Automate. Set up alerts, auto-invest plans, and rebalancing, so your portfolio grows even while you sleep. Step 6. Review and adjust. Check in monthly or quarterly. Let AI help you fine-tune your plan. Mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, here are mistakes to watch out for. Trusting AI blindly without understanding the basics. Chasing quick wins instead of thinking long-term. Skipping fact-checking. Always confirm AI suggestions. Using too many tools at once and overwhelming yourself. AI is powerful, but it's still just a tool. You are the driver. So, can ChatGPT and AI investment tools really help you achieve financial freedom? Absolutely. But remember, the real power comes when you combine these tools with discipline, patience, and a clear plan. Start small, start today, and you'll be amazed where you could be in 5, 10, or 15 years. If you found this helpful, tap that like button, subscribe for more AI and finance tips, and share this with someone who's ready to take control of their financial future. I'll see you in the next one.